Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to mute a chat's notifications on WhatsApp for 1 week. Whether you're looking for some peace and quiet, or just want to avoid distractions, this quick tutorial has got you covered. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Once the app is running, navigate to the chat you want to mute. This can be an individual conversation or a group chat. It works the same way for both. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu button. Tap on it to open a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Mute Notifications. A pop-up will appear, giving you 3 choices for how long you'd like to mute the chat: 8 hours, 1 week, or always. Since we're focusing on muting for 1 week, go ahead and tap 1 week. Finally, confirm your choice by tapping OK, and that's it. The chat is now muted for 1 week. During this time, you'll still receive messages in the chat, but your device won't make sounds or vibrate when new messages arrive. This feature is perfect for managing interruptions without blocking someone or leaving a group. If you ever want to unmute the chat before the week is over, simply revisit the same menu and turn off the mute option. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you make the most of your WhatsApp experience. See you next time.